Hi, welcome in this tutorial. Today, we are going to see how to install the MEDomicsLab application on Linux operating system. First, go on the GitHub page of MEDomicsLab. Then, click on Releases at the right of your screen. Here you will see the list of all the releases of the application. Select the most recent release, which is the first displayed in the list. Click on Assets and then click on the two Linux-related files, the dev file and the zip file. This will download the files. Then, go on your downloaded files. Unzip the zip folder. This one contains the environment used in the application. Open the folder in a terminal and execute the sh file using the bash command. This will create the Python environment for the MEDomicsLab application. This may take a while. Don't close your terminal before the end. The second step is to install the application. Go back to your downloaded files and open a terminal. Install the application using the sudo apt install / command and copy-paste the name of the dev file at the end of this command. Once the installation is done, you must be able to launch the application simply by typing the medapp command on your terminal. The application must open and a message indicating that the server is connected must appear. If it's not the case, something went wrong. Otherwise, congratulations! You are now officially ready to test the MEDomicsLab application.